Hey, aren't you tired? Can we rest a little?
Suigetsu, you idiot! You've done nothing but rest! We're almost there! Is it that sword? Is it too heavy? Just leave the stupid thing here!
Quiet, you two.
It's someone from the northern hideout. He's still alive.
What happened?
When we got the word that Orochimaru had died, the inmates, they went berserk.
He's lost consciousness.
Whatever. The northern hideout sounds like trouble.
It is. It's where Jugo and the other subjects of Orochimaru's experiments are confined.
Huh. Experiments, huh? Just what kinds of experiments was he carrying out?
Orochimaru was utilizing an enzyme generated from Jugo in experiments to increase physical ability.
An enzyme generated from Jugo?
You know about it, right? The curse mark.
Huh? The curse mark? Sasuke, didn't you also have it?
Enough talk. Let's go.
Fine. Just ignore me then.
Sasuke, be careful. There's a dense, eerie chakra gathering up ahead.
This just might end up being fun.
Mission start.
The feel of this chakra. Jugo isn't with the group of escapees.
That'll save us the trouble of having to pick him out.
You're just gonna charge right in?
Hey, it's okay to take these guys out, right?
Just don't wound them fatally.
If that's an order, I'll obey it. But honestly, what a pain. Tagging along with you has just been one long string of hardships.
I will stop at nothing to achieve my goals.
Hey, let's take a break. I mean, we have to stay hydrated. I'm still not used to this holding back business. Hey, let's take a break. I mean, we have to stay hydrated.
All who get in my way will be crushed.
Don't interfere!
You're nothing but sniveling pests.
So cool. I've got goosebumps.
The gate is closed. Karin, what do we do?
We might be able to do something about it at the lookout tower. standing around. Especially you, Suigetsu, you idiot!
So this is the lookout tower.
I'm gonna open the gate. Hold them off, okay?
Yeah, hurry up.
What's with these guys? There's just no end to them.
Finish the job, then complain.
Yes, sir, will do. These guys aren't anything special either, huh?
Don't let your guard down.
Jugo. Is he really such an important recruit?
That's for me to decide. You don't need to worry about it.
Don't interfere! Dori sharp! You're the one Orochimaru likes so much. That makes you the enemy. Rip you to pieces!
Sasuke, I'm done up here.
Let's go.
We're moving again?
Rip you to pieces! Rip you to pieces!
Oh no.
What is it?
Sorry, Sasuke. There was one more gate after all.
Ah, great job leading the way, Karin.
You shut up! I just forgot about it.
No problem. Karin, tell me where the other lookout tower is.
Okay, I'll tell you. It's here.
Rip you to pieces! Water style! Water style! Rip you to pieces!
I will stop at nothing to achieve my goals.
Hey, let's take a break. I mean, we have to stay hydrated.
Don't interfere! Dori sharp! You're the one Orochimaru likes so much. That makes you the enemy. Don't interfere! Dori sharp! Dori free!
So cool. I've got goosebumps.
Rip you to pieces!
I'm still not used to this holding back business.
This place will be your grave!
Sasuke, I'll be right back.
Uh-huh.
Hey, Sasuke, why don't we rest a bit?
Because we're in a hurry.
He never listens to me.
Rip you to pieces!
Someday I'd like to take you on for real. Who says Jugo isn't gonna be all crazy like the rest of these guys here?
We'll deal with that if it happens. I'll persuade.
Dori free! Dori sharp! Dori free! You're the one Orochimaru likes so much. That makes you the enemy.
So cool. I've got goosebumps.
Water style! Water fang bullet!
Hey, let's take a break. I mean, we have to stay hydrated.
We're here. Jugo is inside this facility.
If we go in now, those guys will follow us and make things difficult.
If we take care of them here, they can't follow us. Come on, Suigetsu.
I'll use the curse mark.
What a bunch of idiots. They came here to get squashed.
We're not here to fight you.
Who cares what you're here for? I just want to squash somebody.
If you get in my way, I will destroy you.
What?
You're nothing but sniveling pests.
Sasuke is just too wonderful.
Now, we're going straight to where Jugo is.
So Jugo's here. This won't be easy.
Mission complete.
We somehow managed to survive that.
Jugo must be up ahead.
Some massive chakra is approaching. This is... Jugo!
Who are you? Have you come here to die?
So he has gone berserk?
I'm not here to fight you, Jugo. I just want to talk.
Naive fool! Why would I listen to you? I only want to revel in destruction!
Trying to reason with him is totally out of the question. Sasuke, stand back. I'll take care of this.
Stop it, Suigetsu. We didn't come here to fight.
He's not the type that listens to words. The only language he understands is force.
I'll crush you!
Were you two not listening to me just now?
That showed real intent to kill just now.
What? What do you want?
What's happening?
It seems the impulse has faded, and he's returned to his normal personality.
Jugo, I came to take you out of here. Come with me.
No way! If I go outside, I
won't be able to fully suppress the impulse.
Don't worry. I'll be your cage. I'll stop you.
No! What can you do? The only one who can stop my urges is Kimimaro.
Kimimaro died for me. He's gone.
He died for you? Then you're Sasuke Uchiha.
That's right.
You're...
I'll say it again. Come with me.
Kimimaro said that you were a vessel to take his place, like a reincarnation of him. Okay. Kimimaro sacrificed himself to protect you. I want to see what kind of ninja he'd do that for.
Now I've assembled the perfect team. So I'll tell you my plan. My goal is to kill the Akatsuki's Itachi Uchiha. And that's why I want you to lend me your power.
Just as I thought.
From here on, the four of us will move as one. I'm not going to force you to get along with each other, but as long as we're a team, you'll work together. From here on, our team will be called Hebi. And of course, Hebi has only one purpose. Itachi Uchiha.